It's me, Neptune Ruler, and today we are gonna play Stackables. I saw Flamingo on Tempest play it and I said why not? With my own best friend, Advait, and you can just call him Advait or the Leo Star. Pam pam bam bam. Just talk properly, don't shout. Okay, just join whatever has my name in Stackables or else I will murder you in your sleep tonight.
Okay.
Did you join me?
Wait.
Join me.
1 second. I am doing it. Wait, bro.
I said. Bum 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 bum. Till then, I'll just play with some random doo-doo, okay? I'm going to play with myself once. Yeah, yes. Why are you coming in the reverse time? Okay.
I am doing.
Okay.
I never played this game. So Stackable is a game of Roblox physics. It's all correctly used and you got the difference.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, let me just lower my volume. It's too actually loud. In your new session, you now see Lot Season 92, right?
Yes, I'll press it.
Yeah, press it.
Press.
Okay, now we are going to play. I'm going to start first. You need to press something and drag it, okay?
Okay.
And just... Yeet. Hey! That's luck. Fool! Okay, now do yours. Hey! Don't make anything fall down or else it's bad luck for you.
I know this is Jenga.
Yeah, this is like Jenga. But if you drop it, then you're going to get pranked. Why are you taking it there? Why?
It's too hard, huh?
It's not too hard. Just join me now, okay? All because of you. Next time don't do this, okay? What? No! Okay, now join me again or else.
It's so dumb now.
Not everything is dumb just because you can't play it, okay? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, I take from bottom.
What?
I put it on the topping. Just like, not like what I do with my poo. Okay. Oh wait, my sister joined. But she's not going to be in the recording because it's too much. Don't push anything down, Advait.
Hey, I was supposed to keep it.
Just touch. Just press.
Okay.
Hey, you did your first block. Hey, congratulations. Yay! No! No! It was like so close. What's in the store though? The store, plain clip. Oh, this is like the. Oh, now I get it. Yeah. Big heads. I need it, but shown by cosmetic. Poopy goat is a poopy goat. It's a goat who likes to poo, okay? Do you really want to know the explanation on why it's pooping?
No.
Good. Because then you will be disgusted. No! How did that happen? Randomly happened. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to try something no man has ever done. Because only women play this game. No, how? How did that happen? I put it perfectly. Somehow die.
No, bro.
How does that even happen? Like how? Like this is going. If I lose this one game, right? Then I will just leave this and play any other game.
Oh, that is jailbreak.
Sure, we'll play jailbreak. Yes! You must lose so that we can continue playing this game and so that I can get more views.
No?
Yes.
Which one should I pick? I'm scared.
Pick any. Pick mine and keep it on top again. Hey, la 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 la. Oh wow!
How did I get it actually?
Wait. it. We are playing Jailbreak now. I don't like the game. Anyway, guys, Billie Eilish is going to come today, and I'm hoping that you might also play.
Don't believe this is coming up.
Yeah, bro, you know Billie Eilish, right?
Yes, I know.
Yeah, she's my favorite singer, and she's coming today because there's something like One World Together at home, Mari. There's like so much artists and stuff coming and playing and stuff. And stuff. And stuff. I have no idea why I'm saying and stuff. Okay, we are playing Natural Disaster Survivor. I don't care if you really wanted to play Jailbreak. Join me. Or else. Natural good game. I have never played it in my channel. I said in my channel. And this is how beautiful I look, guys. I am a Athro noob. No, they did not give a plain Athro noob, but they did not give a plain noob, so then I customized it myself. I put the Roblox boy and I just did this. Wait.
Okay, I got you did already. And I also know.
Did you join me? Yeah, I can.
Join it.
Yeah. Anyway, guys,
This game.
why is Preston plays all of a sudden here? Why are you talking about that?
I'm sorry.
Anyway, guys, last night I played with Dito Plays. He made a live stream on giving all of the admin star creator.
Okay.
Yeah, just follow me since I'm going to go get a tank. No, how? Why? No, big poopy.
I think so you can get a tank.
That's where I'm going to get a plane. Nice. How? No! How? It randomly just pushed me off. How? That makes no sense.
Pushing me off by
Exactly, I flew off. Anyway, this gives me good time to talk. Yeah, now this actually gives me good time to talk. Yeah, bro, this actually gives me good time on how I played with Dito Plays.
You can't take the plane, Dashley.
I know.
You can't take the plane, it's so dumb.
Meteor shower. Wow.
It's something flipped me away, da.
I know you died, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
You
Something just flipped me away.
You pathetic fool. You can never be as beautiful.
You died.
You can never be as beautiful as me. Never.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, Advait and all of my other viewers, listen. Last night I actually played with Dito Plays. This guy, Dito Plays, had a live stream on which we were all playing and stuff, and I actually joined. Okay, guys. Obviously, duh. Who wants to be friends with? That's so true. I mean, who wants to be friends? I mean, who wants to? Exactly. You are supposed to die. They won't treat you as a friend. I mean, why do they want to be a friend with a guy who has a rat in the shoulder?
Why would it be a friend who has no shirt and is in yellow?
It's because I'm the beautiful person. No, seriously, guys. I once went to played some random fashion sort of game, and they actually just made me the winner for looking like this. No. Anyway, guys, Dieter Plays, I was actually playing with him and stuff for the live stream, which he told he was gonna give the star creator egg, and then the admin one, and the developer. Yeah, Ford Industry. Yeah, I'm getting the tank again. I know, so I'm getting the tank again.
I'm not getting a tank.
Hey, I got the tank, but
Get the tank. You'll die.
I won't. And oh, that's how you move. Oh yeah, I'm an idiot. Hey, everyone is just crashing.
I'm not dying.
Haha, it's supposed to be dead.
Stop that.
Haha, fool.
I tried to.
I-
My life was almost gone.
I'm near the place on how I just. Hey, I am going to fly. I think maybe no. Yeah, I'm not.
I think maybe.
Oh, I hope you do. Tornado. It's a tornado. It's a tornado. It's a tornado. It's a potato. It's a potato.
Oh, tornado.
It's
Tornado.
What the hell is wrong with you, da?
I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. Cool.
Okay.
Everyone wants to. Obviously, everyone.
Why? I almost fell down and killed myself. I almost fractured my skull.
I already fell down and I killed myself.
I almost fractured my whole skull. You can't tell anything wrong about that. It's going to kill me, ain't it? It's gonna like destroy this path and it's gonna like make me die. No! No, 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 no! I died.
I
Yeah, we both died. It was like,
This one is so hard. Actually, this one was easy, though.
yeah,
I
this.
just ran away from the tornado.
Yeah, dude, it's actually very easy since you died, idiot. No, I just found the most beautifulest woman in my entire life. I need to send this girl a friend request.
Hey, what is this? Yuck.
Who?
What's happening near you?
This is the love of my life.
Yuck. Get out.
You know, she is the most beautiful. If you watch Flamingo, you will understand. Mwah, mwah. Let me kiss you. Mwah. If you watch Flamingo, you will understand.
What movie?
Wait, I like. Wait a minute.
Hey, did you see the new movie?
Which movie?
I don't know. Godzilla.
No, I don't want to watch it. I want to watch it because Millie Bobby Brown is there and I really like Millie Bobby Brown. In both the ways. I like her.
Why is your accent like that?
Why is your accent like that? Ugh.
Like that.
I don't know why your accent is like that.
I don't know.
I'm literally spitting in my.
What is going to happen next? I want to.
I'm literally spitting in my iPad. I need to stop. I'm wiping it so it might look like it's something is happening, but I finished wiping it.
Why do you have to spit on an iPad?
It was because I was doing that fake accent like bleh, bleh, bleh and stuff, and then I am going to Ow!
No!
I killed myself by jumping. I killed myself from jumping.
Meet your shower.
Yeah, meet your shower.
Meet your shower.
Bro, meet your shower means go near it, bro. It's going to clean you and bath you properly.
Yuck. It's going to kill you, that's all.
It won't, okay? It just wants to be like your mommy.
Yuck.
Dun
Yuck. You.
dun 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 dun. Any dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, now let's stop. Okay, let's stop. Good. Because you should have listened to me. Stop singing that song. We don't want to have politics in our channels. What? An apple a day saves the day. 80 apples last forever. Yeah, I died. Wait, the balloon is 80 rocks. How dare it? Wait a minute. I am one of the best people in the server. I have 22 wins. And I'm the wait. This is the first time I'm playing. Wait, I have seen one more. Wait a minute. I've seen one more beautiful man. His name is called Volcano23. Look at him. I'll send him a friend request. He is very beautiful. He's at the max friends limit for how beautiful he looks. No. I'll show you. Where is he? He looks like me only. He looks like a noob, but with a bacon hair noob. And I need to go get my tractor. Old man gets the tractor. How dare you get the tractor? You cannot get the tractor. You say
I'm about to die actually.
who? Me?
Not you. Some other guy.
I'll show you how beautiful the dude looks. I just realized, am I gonna kill myself again? Don't! Oh, not so much then. Wow, I'm actually lucky. Yay, bro.
Be happy that you're lucky.
How am I lucky? Oof! Oof! Yeah, boy. Tsunami, get to higher ground. This is the best thing that has ever.
I'm on higher ground. Why does this happen to me?
I.
It happens to me because I'm unlucky.
Yes. No, it's actually because you didn't
So
subscribe.
lucky. Because I'm on higher ground.
I know why it happens to you, bro. It's because you didn't subscribe to Flamingo or mine. You subscribe to me.
Flamingo.
You should subscribe to Flamingo. You should subscribe to the original Flamingo, and by that now subscribe to that Russian Flamingo. You know, the kids channel. They are the ones that talk about rats and stuff. Very nice it is. Anyway, a tsunami is coming. You're probably going to die soon. Haha.
No, I can see it.
How? No, dude.
I died.
I survived. Fool. Big fool. Haha. You don't
Why do
understand.
you have to lie down?
No, seriously, I survived.
You didn't lie. Okay, you didn't lie. Oh, I survived before you, okay?
How?
Last round I survived.
Yes, last round.
Wait, I look like you. I think I saw the volcano guy.
Yeah, you see the guy with the bacon hair, and then after that with some face and.
Where can I
Oh. That means whoever has that. Yeah, it's Paul.
Same like body like you.
I know. That is the most
You
beautiful.
survived the last year with the 90 to survive the.
Bro, there's one more. There's one more called.
Don't have that much life stuff.
What?
Don't have that much life. Life thing is in yellow. It is green.
You know. No, bro, this was the beautiful man I was talking about. The most beautiful man. Look, the man with the face in his head. You can see me jumping, right? Come here. Why? You should have seen. He was the most beautifulest man I have ever met. And I'm telling this after looking at the most beautifulest woman. And by that, it's a rat. No! Why? You piece of idiot. I can't tell it because it's bad.
Okay, don't tell.
Okay.
Don't get that's all.
Yeah.
I will be
But
happy.
But just in case if Copa tries getting this video and stuff, I heard that Copa stopped getting these things and stuff. But if Copa does get it, because some of my videos, like my vlogs and stuff, right? Just because it looks kiddish does not mean it's kiddish.
Dinosaur vlog.
Yeah, they actually made it so that it's on. I am getting scared. Mommy, Daddy, don't do that. I know the best way to come. I found the best way to come. Oh God, I died. Wow. I'm the 11th one. God, this is powerful. No, this is the man. This is the man. Volcano. He's on top. Look. Near me. Look. Yeah, exactly. This is the most beautifulest man. Giant on the night. I have the pal. Number one, it's called the pal hair. It's called the pal hair. Idiot, it's called the pal hair. Friend request. Oh wait, no, he's in the max. I'm going to wait. What?
Look at this guy.
What?
This guy is a twin only, I think.
Okay. Wait, the 10th doctor they took it off. Why? Why is it off sale? Try on. I am going to look beautiful. I look beautiful, but still why did I need to at least get scared. Is it good? How is it off sale? Oh, it's because he made it and stuff. Oh, I get it. You piece of piece.
You piece of bacon.
That makes no sense, but okay, sure, I can't tell anything. Anyway, dude, speaking of Copa, it actually took one of my videos and made it child's. It took lots of my videos and made it into kids so that I won't get any money. As if I do get money, but I don't. Even normally. Rakesh Refinery. Rakesh Refinery. Rakesh. I am going to go up because I don't give a Oh, let's see. It's acid rain, I think. Might be acid rain. If it is acid rain, it might be acid rain. Who knows? I'll just wait here and see.
You're pushing me out.
Why did I randomly accidentally press Blizzard? Seek warmth and find shelter. Seek shelter. That's why, same dude. That's why I came in here, Buster. I am here in the most warm place ever. I am in the corner of a house. But right now I'm actually shivering. If that makes sense. Making my way downtown, doing nothing, making my way downtown, cause I don't know what to sing. Is it gonna copyright me? Guys, anyway, I found a game called Hollow Mansion. I was thinking maybe I died. How can you be happy seeing your friend decapitated in front of you? How can you? That's why I got 10%. Great God. So I guess I need to stop the video here. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. And most importantly, eat a taco, baby. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you something. Also subscribe to my friend, the Leo Star. Pada 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 bab. Yay!